because it's got some lag to it. It's not like the other drones that'll stop very quickly. Retired and Happy here, Tech Reviews, back with another video. And in this video, I want to show you guys some fun that I had on the roof with the Tello drone. So the Tello drone is my smallest, least expensive drone. Took it up on the roof today along with the Mini SE, and I'm going to do a video a little later on today showing the Mini SE and what my thoughts are about it. But with this drone, man, for those of you who are seriously considering buying a drone, this is a great little device for you to buy. Not that I'm trying to get you to buy anything, because I don't have any affiliate links or anything, but for those of you who are interested, great little drone, man. And I still say to fly inside the house to practice with, to learn not just going forward, you know, what's right, what's left, but when you spin it around and you're able to go the opposite way so you don't run into walls. So when you're out in the field and you're flying, you're not crashing into trees or you're not crashing into buildings. You know which way to hit the controller even when it's not facing you the right way. Or when you're looking at it on the map, you know, okay, this is where I am, because it shows you the front as well as where you are, so you're able to guide it back on your own. Now with the Tello drone, you're not able to do that with the map, but on the Mini SE you can, and I'll run through that a little bit with the video later on. But check this video out, man. Just up on the roof, having fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. The little Tello drone. Okay, position. Let's see how high up I can get today. I brought it down a little bit, but you're not going very high with this. That break up's pretty bad. The remote, you know, like I said, it's a true beginner drone. You know, you can do all the little maneuvers you can do with a bigger drone. You know, you're just not going to get a ton of speed. You can go back, you can go side, you can go to the other side, you can spin it around. Go back forward. Beginner drone. Sound like a bunch of angry bees. And it works just like the other drone. You put something underneath, it's going to want to pick up. So you can land it by hand, or you can land it here. You can land it in your hand, just like the other one I could have landed in my hand.